So anything from cases or consultations this week or last week?
So I did have several consultations this week where people are coming to me saying that their company is not willing to work with them on this benefit or that benefit. And some of the advice that I'm seeing these companies through their attorneys provide is fascinatingly wrong. And I am getting pretty frustrated by it because I feel like a lot of immigration attorneys, who, by the way, are overworked, overburdened, I know, are creating threats or creating questions and then trying to protect their companies from those threats or questions, even though such threats or questions have never come up in all my years of practice, are not discussed on any of the immigration threads, and are just not really a thing. And I think at this point, it's very clear to me that immigration attorneys who are representing their companies really don't have the best interest of the employee at heart. And I think that a lot of this has to do with the way that their agreements with the companies are structured. A lot of it has to do with the way that corporate firms are run. A lot of it has to do with the way the law firms are run. It's not like they are intentionally disregarding employees' interests. It's just that the whole system is set up to where the employee's best interest doesn't matter. What matters is that the lawyer is seen as protecting the company from all possible risks, even if those risks aren't real and are not something that would cause the company any harm should they even come to light. So I've been pretty frustrated this week. I've seen many quotes, direct quotes from attorneys in attorneys' emails that I just disagree with, and I think is bad legal advice. I'm just going to say that. It's bad legal advice. Oh, let me add to that too, that I think that sometimes it's bad legal advice because the lawyer is covering for company policy that is against the employee's best interest and can't throw their client under the bus and say, actually, this is company policy. So they vaguely imply that it is law rather than company policy. And I totally disagree with that approach.